Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to track steps on MyFitnessPal application. So first of all, launch MyFitnessPal app. Now once you come here, tap on the option of More at the bottom right corner. Once you come here, scroll down below and you'll see the option of Steps. Tap on it. Now, in order to track steps, you would have to choose a device or connect an application to your MyFitnessPal account. So let's tap on the option of Add a device for now. Now from here, you could connect apps and devices. You could tap on any of these options over here. So for now, I'm going to tap on this option. Now, all you would have to do is install that specific application. Let's tap on it. Just tap on Install. So once the application has been downloaded, what you can do is just go back to the tab of Progress at the bottom. Now from here, you can see various categories on top. Swipe towards the left-hand side and you'll see the option of Steps. If you tap on it, you will be able to track your steps from this. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.